Welcome to Low Key PD. In this video, we're going to explore the spelling and grammar check in Google Docs. So you've got your document written. You weren't terribly careful about your spelling and grammar because you knew you could check that before you had to submit this or publish it. If you go to Tools menu in Google Docs, very first option you have is spelling and grammar. And if you want to run a spelling and grammar check, or toggle between spelling suggestions, grammar suggestions, or not showing those. You can even have a personal dictionary where you can add words that maybe the Google Docs dictionary doesn't recognize, but maybe they're content specific or very relative to an industry that you're in, where it's just that's how it's spelled in the industry. But if you want to run a spelling and grammar check, just click on spelling and grammar check and you'll start to get these suggestions, right? So suspicious appears to be spelled incorrectly. If I like the spelling and I know it's wrong, I can click accept. And then notice, however, I did found Montessori's criticism of how science has been used, ... The word found is spelled correctly, but Google Docs recognized the fact that that might not be the right word that I want to use, so maybe I want to use find instead. Click on accept, and then later on I have a comma splice down here, findings, comma, will. There's no need for that comma, and it suggests that I replace that with the same two words, only without the comma, and I'll accept that. So if you want to really clean up your documents before you make them public or let people read them, there's a spelling and grammar check in Google Docs that is quite handy.